Hello and welcome back. Joe Rodriguez here. We're back in Lightroom to show you a little trick that I have actually read about quite often in some of the printing forums that people have not been able to do. Now, the idea being that you have chosen several images, as you can see here, and you would like to then place those on a single sheet in a contact sheet type style, but not so much as in the old days where we would do the 35 millimeter strips, but basically just say, for instance, 4x6 or 4x5s on one sheet of paper, sort of like a picture package, without actually picking or choosing picture package. As you see, I am now in my print module within Lightroom. And even though I've chosen multiples, I don't see them. I mean, they're picked and they are chosen, they're selected, but I only see one. And this was throwing people a bit off because they thought that it would be impossible. Let me go ahead and undo keep square, and we'll enlarge the cell size. So as you can see, we have this image on one sheet of paper. I suppose I could choose one of the templates here, for instance. Let's see what's available. And you can see that 3 or 4 wide will give me 3 of the images I've chosen. Let me choose another one. I thought I had 4 of them. Let's just add, let's see what we have here. We'll add this one as well. And you can see that all 4 have been added. Let's see, 4x5 contact sheet, and none of these will seem to work. So we'll go ahead and do our own custom layout because none of these are really working for us. Okay, let's go ahead and move over here to the, move that back up to full cell size. Simply all we have to do is change our paper or page grid. Now we have 4 images, so we will change this to 2, the rows, and columns to 2. And that's all you have to do. It is that simple, folks. If I had, for instance, 2 more images, I would go ahead and make my columns over to 3. And I would be able to fit them in. And now Lightroom is doing the best it can to fit them onto the sheet. So that's why they have become somewhat rectangular in nature. But as you can see, if I just simply click on one of these cells, I can pan the photograph or the image to make it fit as well as possible. And that's basically it. Very simple. Quick way to do a picture package of equally sized images. Remember, we can do margins and fill the complete sheet, and you can print that borderless, or if you would like a minimal margin around it, let's say a 1/4 inch all around, we'll go ahead and punch in 0.25 on each margin, thus giving us a nice 1/4 inch border throughout. And there you go. Now, I could adjust the cell size for all the 6 images, leaving a bit of a space around each one, as you can see. I can adjust my margins accordingly as well. So it's actually a very interesting and quite feature-filled printing module. And this type of adjustments are really not found in too many other pieces of software unless you're using a RIP. The only other piece of software that I can think of would be Qimage, but I know there's a lot of you Lightroom users out there that would like to know how to do this. And so, as you have seen, it's quite simple. Okay, until the next time, happy printing. Bye-bye.